Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a look at a highly practical tool for anyone who wants to make cleaning a breeze: the Kärcher EB 30-1 Commercial Electric Broom. This cordless sweeper is designed to handle a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to low-pile carpets, and it comes with some features that can make your regular cleaning routine a lot more efficient. Whether you're managing a commercial space or just want to up your home cleaning game, this product could be a game changer. Let's explore how it stacks up. The Kärcher EB 30-1 is a commercial-grade electric broom that brings convenience and versatility to the cleaning process. Right off the bat, the broom boasts a few key features that stand out. It operates on a high-performance battery that's easily removable and replaceable, so you can swap it out without much hassle. This is ideal for those looking to extend cleaning sessions or keep a spare battery on hand for busy days. The brush roller is another highlight. It's designed for easy removal without needing any tools, which simplifies maintenance significantly. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this broom is designed for lightweight handling, making it easy to move around and use for extended periods without tiring you out. But what really makes this broom stand out is its ability to fit into tight spaces. With a slim profile of just 90 millimeters, it's low enough to slide under radiators, furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas that most vacuums or brooms struggle with. This gives it a serious edge when it comes to versatility in everyday cleaning tasks. The telescopic broomstick also adds a layer of customizability, allowing users to adjust it to their preferred height for maximum comfort, while the universal joint ensures smooth movement in any direction. The dirt container is straightforward to remove and clean, and this user-friendly design means you're not wasting time with complicated steps when it's time to empty it. Whether you're tackling dust in the office, crumbs in the kitchen, or pet hair in your living room, this broom makes it easy to keep things tidy with minimal fuss. When it comes to actual performance, this broom does a solid job on various floor types. Whether you're cleaning hard floors or low-pile carpets, the Kärcher EB 30-1 provides a gentle yet effective sweep, picking up dust and debris with ease. It's not a deep cleaning vacuum, but it excels at quick cleanups and light maintenance. The cordless operation is convenient for moving around without being tethered to an outlet, and the battery provides enough runtime to clean multiple rooms without needing a recharge. Now, what's the experience like in real-world use? Setting up the Kärcher EB 30-1 is straightforward. You don't need to spend much time fiddling with complicated instructions or assembly. It's simple to use, and its adjustable height feature makes it comfortable for users of various heights to clean without straining their backs. During testing, it performed admirably on hard floors, efficiently sweeping up crumbs, dust, and debris. It also handled pet hair without much trouble, which is a common concern for many users. The real test came with low-pile rugs, and while it did a decent job, it did struggle a bit with deeper dirt or embedded particles. But for day-to-day use, it definitely does the trick. The broom's slim design really shines in tight spaces. You can easily maneuver it under low furniture, radiators, or other tricky spots that most larger vacuums can't reach. The noise level is fairly minimal, so you won't have to worry about disturbing anyone while cleaning, which is a nice bonus. On the downside, there are a few things to consider. While the EB 30-1 excels at quick cleanups, it might not be the best choice for deep carpet cleaning or more demanding tasks. Its suction power is not as strong as traditional vacuums, so if you're looking for something that can handle thick carpets or more stubborn dirt, this might not be the right fit. Also, while the battery is easy to replace, it's something you'll need to keep an eye on for longer cleaning sessions. The broom also lacks some of the bells and whistles of more expensive models, such as advanced filtration systems or multiple power modes, which could be a deal breaker for users with specific needs, like allergy sufferers. When comparing this broom to similar models, there are a few worth considering. For instance, the Black & Decker Dustbuster cordless sweeper offers a similar level of convenience and maneuverability, but it might not be as durable or robust for heavy-duty commercial use. Another alternative could be the Dyson V8 Animal cord-free stick vacuum, which is significantly more expensive, but offers more powerful suction, better filtration, and longer runtime. For those who want a lightweight, easy-to-use tool for quick cleanups, the Kärcher EB 30/1 is definitely a strong contender. In terms of value for money, the Kärcher EB 30/1 holds up well. It's not the cheapest on the market, but it offers a good balance of performance, durability, and ease of use. If you need something for regular touch-ups and can't justify the expense of a full-size vacuum, this broom provides excellent value. It's particularly suited for those in commercial settings or anyone looking for a compact and efficient cleaner for everyday messes. In terms of build quality, the Kärcher EB 30/1 feels solid. The plastic isn't flimsy, and the components fit together well, ensuring that it should hold up over time with proper care. Maintaining it is simple. Removing the brush roll, emptying the bin, and replacing the battery all take minimal effort. This makes it a great option for users who want a low-maintenance cleaning tool. For customer support, Kärcher is known for providing responsive assistance if needed. They offer a decent warranty, and users have generally reported positive experiences when reaching out for help with minor issues. This is a reassuring aspect, particularly for commercial buyers who might rely on the product day in and day out. Wrapping things up, the Kärcher EB 31 Commercial Electric Broom is a versatile, easy-to-use, and efficient option for quick cleanups on a variety of surfaces. While it's not as powerful as a full-size vacuum and might struggle with deeply embedded dirt, it excels in everyday maintenance tasks, particularly for those with limited storage space or tight spaces to clean. It's a great option for people looking for a lightweight, cordless cleaner that gets the job done with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering giving this broom a try, check the comments box for more details on where to get it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your next cleaning session could just be a whole lot easier. Goodbye till next time. Keep it clean, keep it simple.